your name? I have seen you before. What's your name? May I walk you to your door? What's your name? I have seen you. What's your name? I have seen you. So now we achieved our goal. We are in Villa Tranquila in Spain. But it's not everything. Our journey was so long, so tiring. We missed one stay in France. We didn't get there. And we still try to get on Genius Tree on booking.com. There is a level Genius Tree on booking.com. And I hope we will manage that. Oh, what a beautiful view. Spain is very, very unique, in my opinion. September, you and Spain, an excellent connection.
A quick tour of the house. We just got inside. Room number 1. That overlooks the Eric Sea. Alright, yeah, so shower. Alright, so you could be taking a poop and be observing. And it's also air conditioned. The living room, obviously. There's some cool TV. Yeah, kind of like a dining area here, kind of like a window room, for instance. It also overlooks the sea. And then room number 1. Got a shelf, fireplace, center table. Room number 2. Well equipped. Nice tall ceiling. And here you got the first bathroom with a WC. Got your shower. Don't tell me it's air conditioned. And then the kitchen. Alright, just well equipped. Got dishwasher, a little wine cooler right there. Microwave oven, gas oven top, refrigerator. Don't let, okay, I was gonna say, don't tell me it's filled up. And it's also air conditioned. Alright, we got a kitchenware. When you open the door to go outside, yeah, to the washing machine area. And there's some view. There's some view from here as well. Alright, you got the washing area there. The next door neighbor is nothing less than 100, 250 meters away. So we don't get in their business. They don't get in ours. Yeah, you can also go on top from here.
So, if you take the binoculars, you can see Morocco down there.
And then the other side of the Balearic or Mediterranean Sea, we down there, probably not visible, is going to be Egypt, Tunisia somewhere in the middle, Algeria and Morocco down there. And from this off, and that's the outside area, little sitting area. And you saw how to get up here, right? You saw how challenging it is to get up here. So it's not going to be possible driving down. Each time you want to go get something, you don't want to be driving down road. It's the best means of transportation in such hilly area. Reckon is going to be your scooter, electric one, or bike if you got muscles. Yeah, and that's the swimming area. And And then the Balearic Sea. I prefer to call it Balsamic Sea. And from here you can access the rooftop, and I think you're gonna get an even better view from on top. Alright. Go to the very top. After the 3 days trip, we are now indoors trying to make up for all the lost time. So gonna be indoors, enjoying it, trying to rest, trying to keep our batteries topped up. And then when we get bored, then we'll be able to embark on all those excursions, like a trip to Grenada to go see the Moorish influence on Spain. And now we're in Torrox. That's the Torrox town down here, and then right on our side should be Malaga, and then that's the magnificent view of the Mediterranean. Look at the views from here. I hope I have a property out here. You get to see the hills and even more houses down there. And views on our back. Really, really nice. It's actually a nice spot if you have a binocular so you can spy on your neighbor. With a really, really humid temperature, you need to have this. You got a tiny house that usually goes with a swimming pool. You have to have a swimming pool here. It's like a culture here. And yeah, the view here is okay for me. Yeah, so that's it. See it right there. Yep, that's our home for the next 14 days.
We found this villa on booking.com. Now we need to realize about 9 steps on booking.com to go from the level Genius 2 to Genius 3. And we want to do this because the level Genius 3 guarantees higher discounts for travelers. And we want to be travelers, so because Circuit Channel needs to develop. So I hope we will get this Genius 3 after this travel.